This time on Found on Road Dead, we're back on the Camaro, and we're going to put long tube headers on it. We're going to break in the engine because we really don't know if that's ever been done yet, and see what kind of obstacles we run into along the way. Let's go.
Okay. So all the weirdness when we walk away, you're going to chop it anyways, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
In the last episode, we got this Camaro going for the first time in 15 years. The engine fired up and sounds promising. We need to break in the cam, but first we're going to install these long tube headers because who wants to break in an engine with manifolds? These were a very tight fit, weren't going to go in the top, so we had to install these from underneath the car.
Pretty tight. I think you might be. Alright, I'm here, man. Looks like we're on our way. It's, it hooked on that linkage back there. I feel like I almost could have finagled it past that bell housing if it wasn't for that linkage in the way. Oh man. I mean, just about. I think we're going to need to come up past the dipstick here. Let's pull some stick out.
What?
Boom!
What? Nuh-uh. Are you serious?
Yeah. She's in there.
Hey, what about getting it to go straight where it bolt in though?
I mean,
Does it look straight enough to bolt in?
It's
It looks like it down here.
it's real close if it's not. I mean, it's millimeters away. I think it'll work. No way.
Hey, guess what? There's still enough room for the linkage too.
Yeah, good.
Enough for profit, you can stick the next one even faster or better.
You got these other things off.
That was too easy. I was like, all right. Passenger side installed itself. Driver's side, not so much, but hey. If you happen to have a 68 Camaro you're trying to do this on, and it's got a power glide in it, you might have to take the bracket off to hold the linkage, but that was it. We took the filter off and that off, and it just, held together. Easy peasy. No problem. So we're going to call it a night. We've got some other things we got to get going, but we'll wrap up here and we'll come back.
We got back together another day, and in the meantime we decided that we should be lashing the valves because we don't know where the previous owner was when he left off working on this car. We found several that were loose, and so we were really glad that we took this step before breaking in the cam.
Hey, you know what we should do this time, Cody?
What's that?
We should make sure that the oil galley back there is plugged, so it doesn't shoot oil.
Yeah. Luckily, I left the oil pressure gauge in. There. These wires are kind of challenged.
Was kind of loose, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'd say so. That's the kind of thing that makes you think it's a good idea we're doing this.
Yeah, that one was pretty loose.
That sounds real slow still, doesn't it? Is that what you're thinking just there?
Yeah. I wouldn't think that would burn a starter up, just tapping through it, just to blast the valves.
No, I wouldn't think so either.
That'd be kind of dumb, you know? This is 12.4. Should be cranking more than that, you would think. It's kind of making me nervous.
Last one.
Did we just adjust the intake one, right?
Yep.
Okay. Last one. I don't know if this is even cranking over fast enough to start, honestly.
It's not.
I mean, hypothetically, if we were getting ready to start it right now.
Nope.
It turned out that our brand new 3 horsepower high torque starter was no good anymore. So we had to come back another day with another starter to get this going again.
So you probably saw the other night that we tried to spin the engine over after getting the valves all adjusted, and that didn't work out for us.
Nope.
So the economical starter was not good for what we were trying to use it for. So we've got a plan B today. We're going to get the starter installed and continue on our efforts to get this thing fired up and broke in.
Yes, sir. Right on.
So I guess probably, what do you think? Go ahead and get the starter in there and make sure it'll crank
Yeah.
the motor over.
I think that's got to be. It's got to be part A.
We'll see what this bad boy will do.
Looks like it ought to do something, doesn't it?
Yep.
4 horsepower right there. Does that make the car faster or no?
Nope. It said that. All I know is that it said 4 horsepower was enough to spin up to 15 to 1 compression.
I would guess I'd
so I figured, well,
I think we might have some compression
Get her
on this,
done.
but I don't think we got any 15
No,
to 1. If
no.
we do, we're going to be pinging all over the place with the fuel we've got.
you're right.
Jag will tell you that the Speedmaster starter has 3 horsepower, but they don't tell you it's only for an hour.
No, that sounds like it. That sounds promising. So we're putting the exhaust on it before we break it in. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If we can, I think it'll sound good because once we find idle it out, I don't want to hear it with
Yeah,
the.
sure.
I want to hear it.
I'm down for whatever.
It might not be as noisy.
Yeah.
Wait.
All right, Cody, you ready to fabricate this exhaust system?
Yep.
All right, here you go.
Thanks. You did good. Oh man, you did a good job welding these up.
Oh yeah, I wish I did that. No, I didn't.
Thanks, Jim.
Thanks, Jim. All right, look at us. Who says you need like a whole day to fabricate an exhaust system? You know,
Yeah. Nice.
we're experts.
All the split washers are.
We should like go into business or something.
We should. This one definitely.
FYI for anyone getting cherry bombs, might watch the welds. That's just the way it came right there. It looks like they stopped short on the weld just a little bit.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. This is gonna be great. I thought I was gonna... Okay.
Okay.
Good.
All right. Nice.
If you're breaking in a flat-tappet cam, you want to not forget some sort of a zinc additive. That's what we're going to use this time. And like I say, we don't know if this has been broken before, but we'll be covered this way. No long pour? Are you sure?
Oh Lord.
You kind of want to get a funnel, don't you?
No. It'd be just fun.
Encore is extra tricky in windy conditions. Oops.
Oh my god.
That's the end of the world. The end.
No, it's all over now. Maybe a belt?
Built too tight.
Squeaking on.
Isn't the starter?
I don't know if it needs shimmed or
Is that what Chevys do when they need
I
shims?
don't know. I mean, if it has too much depth in there. This was like this. That's definitely gonna put some space in between everything. Here.
There you
Well, you can't always foresee things until you.
Oh yeah. Okay. Comes to shimming something like this,
That gear is about that much farther away than it was.
just hope it still starts and is gone. That'd be good.
Okay, here we go. You ready for this?
Oh my god.
Power steering pump.
Boiling.
Well, we got 12 minutes in on break-in. That's really weird though. I've never seen a power steering like do that.
Yeah, I haven't either. Wonder why it's getting so hot. So guys, just to update you in case you didn't see it on video, the break-in was going good. We were what, Cody, 10 minutes in?
12 minutes in.
12 minutes in. Okay. So after 12 minutes, the power steering fluid kind of boiled, it seems like. So,
Erupted.
we're just going to take the alternator and the power steering belts off and get back to the other, what,
Mhm.
8, 12 minutes break-in or something like that.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That really helps our channel grow, which we have great things that we want to do, big targets, and it really helps us if you can help us to get there. Guys, as you can see, this thing fired up and it went through a good 20 minutes off and on of a heat cycle. We kind of had intermittent issues. We had, well, first the power steering leaked, or boiled over, I guess is a better word for it. And after that, no events. It just went through the rest of its break-in without any issue at all. And man, all signs point to success, guys. It sounds great.
Yeah, it was great.
50-pound oil pressure,
Yep.
170-degree temperature set steel.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
Good things.
Yeah.
No random popping and misses at 10 minutes into break-in.
Everybody's scared with the flat-tappet cam, right? And ultimately, Valen, you've got a 4-speed that we're going to throw in this,
I
right?
got I came out of 69 Camaro, 4-speed Hurst shifter,
So
90,000 mile transmission.
I think we're going to throw that in anyways, honestly. But
Oh, yeah.
maybe sooner than later if that transmission's not good,
that
right?
way,
So,
that way you whistle gear.
right on. I think that's a wrap.
Okay.
Amen.